Hi guys, I'm back with the continuing process of inviting a Sanrio Amiibo villager. You will see what happened in the second and third day altogether. So basically, I just had to repeat the same steps all over again by being at the Nook Stop terminal inside the Resident Services building and scan the Amiibo card here over the NFC touch point. Okay, so we will go see which item Étoile wants me to craft for her. It's a grass standee, the recipe which I haven't gotten to learn yet. But don't worry, the game makes it simple enough for you by giving you the missing recipe right away. Learned. Then she will give you a hint that the third invitation is needed. So I came back on the third day just to have a dialogue with her and tell her to move here and see. She's down to move to my island, but there's no available space. No worries though. If you don't like any of your villagers and want to replace them, there's one sure way of doing it by using Amiibo card like this. I chose to swap Norma out. She's been a good villager, but I don't think she belongs on this island. Yes, so the good news, she will be moving in because now we have a new opening. I'm on my way to check with Norma. Oh, hi Pietro, what a great distraction. And over here, hi Muffy. I already have 2 sheep on my island and Étoile is gonna be the third. At this rate, I will probably end up with 4 because I still want Dom, you see. And to think that I will let any of the sheep go, that's gonna be really hard. Okay, Norma is packing, so that means tomorrow Étoile will be moving in. Good luck, Norma. Wish you the best. Okay, now it's the new day. Let's go see our new villager. Étoile has moved in. This is her house. She will need a day to unpack, and I'm excited to see her doing things around the island, and this is my journey to invite her in. In the next video, I will come hang out at her house. So until then, bye for now.